Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best Haitian bouillon. Okay guys, so this is the meat that I'm going to be using to make my bouillon. So I already cleaned it, washed it and everything, and put my marinade sauce that I made in it. Alrighty guys, as you guys can see, we have our meat simmering. It's been about 5 minutes now. We'll give it another 5 minutes. After that, we'll add some more water in it, and then we'll turn up the heat a little bit so we can get it to boil. Guys, so after about 10 to 15 minutes of simmering, I've added some more water as well as a slice of green bell pepper with some cloves poked into it just for flavors. So we're gonna let it boil for about 30, 35, all the way up to maybe 40 minutes. And then we'll go ahead and pull our meats out if there's a lot of water left over in it. And then after that, I'll show you guys the next step. So while we're waiting on our meat to boil, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the vegetables. As I mentioned before, we have our meat cooking. So now the next step is to get our vegetables prepped up. So this is all the vegetables that I'm gonna be using. I'll make sure I list all the names in the description down below. Also, don't forget to get some watercress, or maybe if you can't find watercress, just use plain organic or just regular baby spinach. Okay guys, so the meat is all cooked up and it's ready for the next part. As you guys can see, I'm using a bigger pot now because I'm adding everything together to let it cook for the last part. So in a few, I will go ahead and add my dumplings so they can cook with the rest of the vegetables. And then our bouillon will be pretty much ready. Okay guys, I've added my dumplings into the bouillon. So right now I'm just gonna give it about 10 to 15 minutes so it can be cooked all the way through with the rest of the vegetables and everything. And then our bouillon will be done. As you guys can see, bouillon is finished. Now it's time to eat. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this little video on how to make the best Haitian bouillon. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and post your comments.